Hi, I'm Peyton. I'm going to show you an installation of the Gadget Guard Pro Active Glass. So this one is for iPhone 14 Pro Max, but it is the same installation on every device. So step one is using the alcohol wipe and the dust removal sticker to clean your device. And you can dry it with the microfiber cloth. Then there's 2 dust removal stickers that you can use to remove any dust or lint or anything left behind. So next you'll take the pre-installed Easy Align tray and you will remove the backer with the black tab. When you remove the backer, make sure that the install tray is facing down so if any dust falls, it doesn't land on the sticky surface. And place it onto your device. You can use your finger to run up the arrow and make sure it's secure. So the next step is to remove the plastic around the outside, and then you can remove the white protective layer. The final step is to remove any bubbles if you need to by pressing and pushing them out to the edges. And that's it.